We tested GNC Total Lean protein and found that 40% of what they call protein is actually cheap amino acid filler. You are paying premium prices for garbage. Welcome back to the Real Bio Protocol, the channel where we break down the science of peptides, fitness, and health optimization that most people will never hear about. Today we are diving into something that could completely change the way you think about protein powders and the supplement industry. We are going to cover exactly how it works, what the real science says, the results you can expect week by week, and exactly what you need to do to get the most out of it. Stay with us until the end because we are going to give you the full protocol. Let's get into it. You walk into GNC. The employee in the polo shirt tells you Total Lean is their best seller. 25 grams of protein per scoop, lean muscle formula, trusted brand. You pay $40 and feel good about your purchase. Here's what they did not tell you. That protein number on the label is a lie, not an exaggeration, not marketing spin. A calculated deception that the supplement industry has been pulling for over a decade. They call it amino spiking, and GNC is one of the worst offenders. The label says protein, but your muscles are getting cheated out of what they actually need to grow. You trusted a billion-dollar company, and they exploited that trust for profit margins. So what exactly is amino spiking, and why should you be furious about it? When a lab tests protein content, they measure total nitrogen. Protein contains nitrogen, so more nitrogen means more protein, right? Wrong. Certain free-form amino acids like glycine and taurine also contain nitrogen. These aminos are dirt cheap. We're talking pennies per gram compared to dollars for real whey protein. Shady companies dump these cheap aminos into their formula. The nitrogen test comes back high. The label proudly says 25 grams of protein. But your body cannot use glycine and taurine the same way it uses complete protein with all essential amino acids. You are being robbed in plain sight, and the testing method itself is the cover-up. Here's where it gets scientific. Complete protein from whey contains all 9 essential amino acids your body cannot make on its own. Leucine triggers muscle protein synthesis. Isoleucine and valine support recovery. These are what drive actual muscle growth. Glycine and taurine are conditionally essential at best. Your body makes them on its own. Dumping extra glycine into a protein powder does almost nothing for muscle building. It is like filling your gas tank with water and calling it premium fuel. The car will not run. Your muscles will not grow. Independent lab analysis of GNC Total Lean revealed approximately 10 grams of free-form aminos per serving. That means only 15 grams of actual muscle-building protein. You are paying for 25 and getting 15. That is a 40% scam built right into every single scoop. What should you actually do with this information? First, stop buying protein based on brand name or store recommendations. GNC employees are salespeople, not scientists. Second, look for proteins that list complete amino acid profiles on the label. Brands that show exact amounts of leucine, isoleucine, and valine have nothing to hide. Third, check for third-party testing from organizations like Informed Sport or NSF Certified for Sport. These certifications require actual protein content verification. Fourth, calculate your cost per gram of real protein, not label protein. A cheaper protein with honest labeling beats an expensive spiked formula every single time. Finally, consider grass-fed whey isolate from transparent companies that publish their lab results publicly. This is bigger than one protein powder. This is about an industry that profits from your ignorance. GNC is a publicly traded company. Their executives know exactly what amino spiking is. They choose profit over your results every single day. The FDA does not regulate protein claims the way they regulate drugs. Supplement companies operate in a gray zone where deception is legal as long as the nitrogen math adds up. They are betting you will never learn the difference between real protein and filler garbage. They are betting you will blame your genetics when you do not see results. They are betting you will keep buying their products month after month while your gains stall and your wallet empties. Do not let them win. The science is out there and now you have it. That is why we are here. This is the Real Bio Protocol. If you enjoyed this upload, do not forget to like and subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Share this with someone who needs it and tune in again for the next upload. See you then.